What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Right now we're pulling up to VA Performance. We're gonna go ahead and get some new tires. I've had them actually in there for a while now, but we're gonna go ahead and actually put them on since we're gonna go ahead and be heading out to LA very soon. And I want to go ahead and burn them out right now. I'll go ahead and show you guys that clip. Bro, this shit kicked out so bad. Yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead and try to switch them. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get a jack real quick so I can take them off and I can just pretty much roll them in there and get them changed out. Ah! What do you mean? You gotta give it more power. You gotta give it more gas. Hey, walk around it. Damn! Jesse, shit. Oh, he roasted him. Definitely roasted him. Sheesh. This is why they call them Sticky Mickeys. God damn. Ready? Ready? All right. Heads. Oh, heads. Damn it. Good deal. 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 So we got the new tires on there, ready to go. Actually doing some final checkouts before we actually head out. I don't know when this video is actually gonna come out, before or after midnight runs, but went ahead and took off the actual oil catch can, and it's actually pretty crazy. Got to get them out. It's actually, this is probably maybe 2 months or so, but you can definitely see a good amount. All right, guys, so this is the driver's side. I'm expecting nothing to very little out of this one. Look at that, dry. So honestly, you don't need the driver's side, but most people get it just to pretty much match the passenger side. All right, guys, so it's actually been a couple of days since we did that trip to LA. Definitely go check out that video if you haven't yet. But now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a #1 tip right here. So if your AC isn't blowing as cold, but it is still kind of cool, it's typically one of the #1 reasons is because your filter is actually dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and actually change this out, and let's go ahead and see how dirty this is. So it's 2 clips right here, and on the sides, depending on different vehicles, obviously, but this is how it is for most Hondas. And here we go, guys. This is what's literally robbing you of that cold air, especially in these hot days. You go ahead and see all the junk that it's picked up. So it's definitely did its job. We're gonna go ahead and pull this one out, and just go ahead and just, there you go. All that is what's been pretty much stopping all that cold air to go through. So we're gonna go ahead and switch it out with a brand new one. So obviously, guys, make sure the airflow is going with the actual direction of it, so it's down. But that being said, you guys can go ahead and actually throw on, it's like a really thin filter like you do for the dryers, pretty much. If you ever dry your clothes or laundry or whatever, go ahead and throw one of those filters in, and it makes a nice smell. Or you can actually just get one of the sprays and go ahead and spray it a couple times right here, and basically slide it back in, and you should get the smell and the cooling air obviously through it. Look how stiff this thing is, dude. This thing's stiff. How loose this one is. Just like we came out. There we go. I'm good to go. So I just did the exact same thing on my Accord, so now both the cords are going to be smelling fresh and getting all that airflow back through again. And as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, this is just going to go ahead and be thrown in with the Burnout. So again, if you haven't watched the actual midnight runs, go ahead and check that out. It was a crazy, crazy night. Without further ado, really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace out, guys.